You're so close to being done, guys. You're so close. It's amazing. All right, so we are now on the final section of our signature assignment. We have chosen our research question. We have developed a hypothesis. We have done background research. We have developed a methodology. We have done our experiment. Now what? Well, now we need to put all that stuff together. So we're doing 6 and 7 on the list here. Well, we're doing 6 and 7 on the list. So 6, gather your results, analyze your data, and draw conclusions. Was your hypothesis right? You're trying to figure out what you learned from your study, from your conclusion, from your experiment. So gather your results, all your data, try to figure out what you're learning from these folks based off of the experiment that you did. Okay, and then once you've done all of that, you need to compile all of this into a report for me. Okay, so this is this part. So you've already done all of these things, right? You've already done 1 through 5. Now we're just gathering our results, analyzing our data, drawing conclusions. Was your hypothesis correct? Was it not correct? Did we learn something? Was it exactly what we expected? All of that together, and you're going to send that in. You're going to turn that in. So when we turn in our signature assignment, it's going to contain all the pieces that we've already turned in, right? So it's going to have our research question. It's going to have our hypothesis. It's going to have our background research. It's going to have our methodology, and it's going to have our proof of life as well as our analysis, our results, and then our conclusions. Okay, so this is the whole big thing being put together here at the very, very end. There is a rubric over here on the side. Hop over, hop, hop, hop. There is a rubric over here. So meets the requirements of the assignments, organization and clarity, citations, spelling, grammar. I would like everybody to note how little spelling and grammar is worth. Okay, I want you to spell correctly. I want you to have good grammar. But I don't want you to focus on that. I want you to focus on the work, right? So meeting the requirements of the assignment, doing all of the necessary bits for your assignment and making sure they're all in there, making sure that I can understand your assignment, making sure it's clear, making sure it's in order, right? And then we also need to make sure that we're citing our sources. So we did that background research, which means we had citations in there. That applies for your final assignment as well. So here's the rubric, really straightforward. Remember, most of the points for this you've already earned by doing the bits and pieces. This is just the last part for us to get all of that in. So here's our rubric. We have all of that over here. You can look at that at your leisure. You're always welcome to ask me any additional questions you may have. Not trying to catch you out here, just this is what is expected for your final assignment. So once you've turned in your signature assignment for this week, then congratulations, you are all done. Aren't you happy? Yay. All right, turn that in and I will see you next week.